Good morning. Day 5 of our isolation and we're going okay. I just wanted to show you something. I'm going to take you for a walk down to our back gate. Okay, so when I say back gate, this is just the gate from our house yard out into our paddocks. We actually have 14 acres. I've said previously we're pretty lucky. We've got so much land. And our boundary is way out there and it runs all the way down in that valley, all the way down beyond those trees down there. And this is our nearest fence. There's actually 2 fences there. The second one is our boundary, and all the way down over there, and on the other side we have another massive paddock, which it's a long way down there. So we have so much space, and you can see why we like living in this area. 2 reasons why we moved here. We used to live in Newcastle in the suburbs, so we bought the farm and we've got all this space and we love living in the country now. The second reason why we live in the snowy mountains is we're pretty keen on skiing. And if you look over here, this is all Snowy Mountains National Park, just over that hill there. In this direction, about 20 kilometers away, is the Thredbo ski resort. Over this way, about the same distance, is Perisher. And out in that direction out there was Selwyn Ski Resort. Oh, look, Maxie, you come out to keep me company. Yeah, good boy. 2020 has been a pretty bad year for us so far. It started out with the bushfires and we were pretty much completely surrounded where we are. A huge majority of people that live in this area are somehow connected to the ski industry, and we were already hurting because of the lockout of tourists during the fires. In the worst of it, the wind was pretty much blowing the fire this way and it was bearing down on us. We had burning leaves and ash landing all around us on our property, and if it wasn't for the wind changing direction, we could have been in trouble. Unfortunately, that wind change blew the fire that way and the Selwyn ski resort was destroyed. It was very soon after that that my wife got ill and she had to be rushed to hospital to have her gallbladder removed, and then she couldn't work for at least 8 weeks after that. So going to Vietnam was a little bit of a break for us after everything that we'd been through in the start of the year. And now coronavirus. 2020 has been the worst year that I can remember. Okay, it's afternoon now, so I'll take a quick look at the stats. The total number of cases worldwide is 597,458, and the top 3 countries are the USA with 104,256, Italy with 86,498, and China in 3rd place with 81,394. And I'll scroll down and have a look at Australia. We now have 3,573 cases. In the news today, I see that the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has also tested positive to coronavirus. One of our major companies, Myer, has stood down 10,000 employees. And something that I thought was quite bizarre is that the Queensland elections went ahead today. I don't know why they couldn't have put that off. And lastly, a little bit of clarification about what I said yesterday. from midnight tonight, anyone coming back into Australia, and I believe there's around 3,000 people coming back into Sydney Airport alone tomorrow. They will go to the airport, they will have to do a health check, and then they will go on a bus to hotels that have agreed to participate, and the government will pay for it, and they will have to sit out a 2-week quarantine before they're allowed to then go home. Anyway, that's it from me today. Talk tomorrow.